Reason to cramped up on me. Because my stupid body brain wouldn't fight it.
What are you gonna make?
Hey!
What are you gonna dress him as?
Sock.
Yeah, those are socks. Well, they're knights. All right.
What happened to my phone?
A hat.
What'd you make? Who's that?
A fireman.
That's not a fireman. Who is that?
E-R-R.
Yeah, a police officer.
Police officer, good job.
Make it.
Do you want to open another?
Do you say thank you, Grandma?
Do-do-day.
Thank you, Grammy.
Do-do-day.
Yeah. Say thank you for my present.
Do-do.
No snow.
Yeah.
A bear.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
What's that?
A crow.
Yeah, a puzzle.
Ah.
What's on there?
A D-E-R.
What is it?
Jimmy.
What's that? What is it?
Quick.
Yeah, what's this?
Goodbye.
What's this? A school bus. Yeah.
Mom.
Good job.
Mom.